Porsche is working on an update for the current 992 generation 911 range, and the latest prototype to be spotted is for the 911 Targa. Referred to internally as the 992.2 generation, the updated range should get mild styling tweaks, a revised dash, and a hybrid powertrain for at least one model. The prototype for the Targa shows new internals for the headlights, a revised taillight design, and new front air intakes. According to our photographer, the interior of this prototype was also covered, suggesting some changes will probably be made to the dash. An updated infotainment system is a strong possibility, and the instrument cluster is expected to go fully digital this time, just like in the Taycan and the updated Cayenne being introduced for 2024. It isn't clear what's planned for the powertrain lineup, but there are rumors a new engine might be introduced with this update, specifically a bigger, naturally aspirated unit like Porsche's 4.0-liter flat 6 offered in the 718 range, which has at least 394 horsepower. The current Targa comes with a twin-turbo 3.0-liter flat 6 with HP starting at 379.